Hey guys, so I wasn't planning on doing anything today for uploading, but since the creek kind of flooded from it rained so much, it's a good thing. But that over there kind of collapsed. You might not be able to see it, but it collapsed under. But I was going to do a video today, go down to the culberts and see what it is. So I'm going to now go down there, and I'll be back in 1 second. So I'm about to climb down, but I was looking, I'm like, well, what is this? It's a bloody pea just growing on the side of the road here. Pea vines are growing, guys. So I'm about to go down there. This is probably stupid. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Screen's probably horrible. But there's the water. It's literally coming out. But, holy smokes, and there's a crawfish. But no, like, now it's just all filled up with water. Me dog loves this. Down there where I showed y'all earlier. Why is only the main one going though? I can't figure out why the main one, only just one in the middle is going. I didn't figure it out. But yeah, like, spam. Now, like, this right here, just sand. It's literally just sand. Oh, but yeah, like, this is like all that there is. Like, holy smokes. No, it like actually like uncovers quite a bit. It like just oh, kind of odd. That is odd. Just looking at this, it's kind of odd. Alright, but no, this is all for today. Not much of a video. I would bring my dog down here, but I can't because she can't go on a road. But yeah, it's water, the foundation of life.